We're gonna make sure that this becomes the most in-demand freestyle rope on the planet. So be sure to stick around after that intro and we're gonna get it as always. Peace.
I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am here in a silk flesh. I am just an icon living. Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa, I'm a high star, for 5 minutes. Whoa, we are so hot in the business. Last verse was before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the Porto. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Down. Last girl signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focused and we about to all blow up. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. I'm just an icon living.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy Hiroshi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you through our latest line of jump ropes, guys. This is the Icon Freestyle rope. Super proud of this new rope that we've just released. We now have 4 lines of jump ropes. We have, of course, the iconic money rope. Then we've got the legacy rope, which is the heavyweight rope. Then we've also got the tech rope. And then now we have got this incredible freestyle long handle rope, and they are now getting shipped across the world. So everyone who ordered and have waited so patiently, like I said, like in the last couple of videos, I want to say thank you so much from all of us here, from the whole team. We appreciate your patience and your understanding of some of the delays that came about, but they're now on their way. And I've been getting a few questions online with people who are already receiving this rope, talking about kind of how they size it, other little bits and pieces of it. And I just thought that I haven't done a proper unboxing or a proper video about this rope. I've had it kind of scattered across different videos, and I just want to make it clear so that it's on my channel, so that for the future kind of people who are going to buy this rope, they know exactly what to do with it and how to size it, etc. Let's get straight into this, guys. What is the Icon rope? So first and foremost, the Icon rope is a long handle freestyle rope which is designed to help you guys with things like releases, kind of tricks the way you have to put your arms behind the back, like very high advanced tricks, guys, where the long handle is very effective in how you need to execute these tricks. What the hell? If you guys remember, like a few months ago, I did a collab with a girl, a really cool girl called Mira in Germany, where I introduced her to this rope and I wanted her to test it out. So Mira has been doing professional skipping for about 20 years now. Don't remember that video. I'm gonna be sharing some clips kind of on top of me speaking here, but these are the kind of things that you guys can do with this rope. These are the kind of techniques you can use. So enough of that talking, guys. What do you actually get with the box? So when you open this box, right, it's really packed nice and tightly. You're gonna get 2 kind of compartments like so. The first compartment, or the first bag, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get a carry case like this, and I've got one that I've opened before. So this is your carry case, your Icon carry case that you can put your rope in. You then also got an extra, like a separate cable. So this is a 4mm PVC speed cable. So with this rope, you can have the option to go back to your kind of speed rope feel. Then you also have grip tape. So this grip tape is something that you can apply to the handles itself. So if you fancy putting on kind of more grip and you feel more confident, you can use this kind of grip tape, and it kind of is like putting on a new grip on a tennis racket or badminton racket. Just really simple, really intuitive. The rope itself comes with the beaded rope, and both cords are roughly 10 foot, but because you've got the longer handle, they're gonna naturally act very longer. So that's why we didn't really need to bring out different sizes of ropes. This is gonna cater to every single type of kind of height, tall, short, etc. So that's what you get, guys. It's like a fun packed box. You got everything in there to get you started the right way when it comes to freestyling. On top of that, the beads, which I should mention, are actually soft beads. So they're very different to the conventional, like kind of the most common, I guess, like around the world, hard beaded ropes. These are soft beads, so they have so much like nice feel about them. It just sounds amazing, like when you're skipping with these soft beads, and they have a great feel, really comfortable, and mixed with these type of ergonomic handles which you've created, you are able to really just kind of smash out so many different tricks, maintain really good form, and everything just seems a lot more easier, to be honest with you. It's good to mention, guys, another question I kept getting was whether or not you can put your money rope cable inside these ropes, and you can put the 5mm PVC rope if you do want to do that, and that's fine. You can still kind of go ahead and do your skipping. But just to go about the sizing, guys, this is what this video is really about. Just kind of give you guys an idea of where you should be sizing this rope. When I met with Mira in Germany, and like I said, she's a professional skipper, she mentioned that when you pull the rope handles, and when you step on the middle of the rope and you pull it up, you really want the top of this handle to kind of come to your chest height. So that's what you kind of want to be aiming for when you get started, I guess. But what you don't want to do, guys, you don't want to cut your rope too short. I really don't want anyone to cut their rope too short because these come pre-packed. We don't have spare ropes kind of just lying around. You are, just go down, cut a little bit if you want to test it out, but just don't go ahead and just cut too crazy. So the rope already comes attached with your beaded rope, and most likely this can be very long for most people. So what you want to do is you actually want to unknot the thread that's inside the handle, and you want to start to remove beads, right? That's the kind of main way you can shorten this. And what you do is just feed the thread right through the handle until it comes out the other end here. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's a knot on this end. What you need to do is take this knot out, and then from there you can then start to take beads off the rope. Then you can cut this thread down to size. Everyone's gonna find their own feel for these ropes. I personally like to have it longer. Mira was telling me that I should have it shorter when I was out there in Germany, but personally, like the way I like to feel the rope, I like to have it a little bit longer. And that is just it, guys. That's how you kind of size this up. And then all you need to do is just re-knot it and then put it back into the handles, and then just keep your kind of extra beads safe just in case like you may need them, or the rope is too short, you need to make it longer, etc. So that's the beaded option. With the PVC option, it is just the same as the money rope or the speed rope. Hopefully you guys have already got that rope, by the way. But the same thing, guys. You can either, again, use knots for the speed rope option like I do with my money rope. Knot it up, make it shorter, get a good feel around the handles, like we mentioned why knots are beneficial. Or you can just pull it out the handle from the top here and use the sizing adjustment mechanism, which is super simple. You just unclip at the top and then you just bring it down or bring it up however you like, and just make sure that the fixing that goes back in, you use a bit of like fingernail grease, like some strength here, and you get that back in really tightly, okay, so it doesn't come apart. And that is it, guys. That is how you size your ropes. The reason why I packed these two types of cords in the box, guys, is just a simple way of getting you guys to really understand what you like about freestyle skipping, whether or not you like that beaded feel, whether you still like that speed, and people are just gonna have different preferences, and that's why I included both options in the box. But ultimately, like, everything about this rope is just super slick. It's on point with everything about RA. Every detail has been kind of, yeah, carefully examined and checked. If you're interested in this rope or have any more questions, just let me know down below. Just share your thoughts and I will come back to you. So before I leave it there, guys, I just want to say thank you once again. A massive big hug, if I can kind of hug you behind that camera, just to say big up and respect for making this just one of the most epic freestyle ropes already out there in the world. So I'm gonna wrap it up right there and I'll see you in the next one, guys. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
I've been praying for the rain to fall. Watch me go so I